Welcome to bitWise Live, an exciting platform for expert one-on-one online tutoring for students in middle and high school. This video will guide you through the process of signing up with tutors in one or more subjects for your child and present the experience your child will have. Start by clicking the Register button at live.bitwise.academy. Provide the information requested for you and your child. Want to register a second child? Just click here to provide the details. Don't forget to select the student's time zone before you submit the form. Save your credentials and use them to log in anytime to live.bitwise.academy. Once logged in, visit the Courses tab for the list of courses our experienced tutors teach. Each course offers 3 packages: Basic, Pro, and Premium, with an increasing number of sessions. Choose a package and you will be able to select a start date and a 75-minute time slot for each session. A couple of easy steps will allow you to purchase your package. You may add as many packages as you'd like to your shopping cart before the final checkout. You and your child will each receive a confirmation email with detailed information for every package you purchase. Your child is now on his or her way to being tutored by one of our expert tutors. 24 hours prior to every session, the student will receive an email reminder that includes the link to the Zoom session and other relevant information. Every tutoring session will begin with the student taking a quiz on the material covered in the previous session. During the session, the tutor will interact on video with the student using a whiteboard or other digital tools as needed. Your child will provide feedback at the end of every session. During and even after the tutoring sessions, your child will have access to the materials on bitWise Live. This includes homework helper tools and solvers that will help them every day, even in between sessions with their tutor. We look forward to having you and your child experience what bitWise has to offer. Watch how your child improves in academics from the very first session. Join bitWise Academy and change your future.